Guess which country has got more EVs on the road than petrol cars now? So this milestone has occurred in Norway, not surprisingly. Now, in August, Norway had 94.3% of all new car registrations were electric. And they've also now surpassed the fact that there are more EVs on the road than petrol cars. Yeah, look, diesel is still up there, but there were 754,303 electric vehicles, battery electric vehicles on the road in Norway, and there were about 400 less petrol cars. There were a lot more diesel cars, and I'll put the chart up now showing that they're out of the over 2,800,000 vehicles on the road. A large goodly portion of them were battery electric, and then if you add in plug-in hybrids and so on, it's beginning to do very well. So, as I said, in August, 94.3% of newly registered vehicles were electric, which is a new record again for Norway. And basically, for some time now, more than half of all newly registered cars in Norway each month have had a plug. Not bad. Germany's going backwards because they did have good subsidies going, but they removed those, and all the major manufacturers there decreased their BEV manufacturing. Europe, idiots. So the number of EVs on the road in Norway is more than petrol, which I think is just a historic milestone, and I would dearly love to see that here in Australia. We just need a bigger variety so that people have got a nice selection of EVs to choose from, and a selection of price points as well, like, you know, $25,000 Australian and upwards. Norway have made this feat despite the fact that EVs in Norway are more expensive. So, you know, for the rich, if you like, but they've still done it. Now, admittedly, Norway did start off with some very, very good incentives, but they don't really have much in the way of incentives now. What people have found out is the total cost of ownership is actually reduced compared to their petrol or diesel equivalent. And some people just need to learn this. Now, if you looked at that chart, put it up again, there are some gas and hydrogen there. But look how few there are, 167 hydrogen. So they're just an insignificant percentage. So all up, that's good news. So if we go back a few years, nobody thought that this would ever happen, and people are still spreading FUD that EVs won't take on. They're no good in the cold. Well, I've got news for you. They've taken off in Norway, and Norway's a cold country. When I was there, I must admit, all the cars I saw, bar the odd one, were all the long range variant, because they want that extra range. They've all got the NMC type batteries or ternary batteries, and they were all long range because you will lose some range in the cold weather. But even so, that's still a marvelous milestone. How long do you think it's going to take us to get to that stage in other countries like Australia? Yeah, it's probably going to be a few years down the track yet. Shall we say 10 years? What do you think? Comment below. Do you think this is an excellent milestone to have achieved in one country? Now we've just got to wait for other countries to catch up. Yeah, I think it's the start of something really, really good. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and while you're there, there's that like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. If you give them a click, it really will help promote the channel and it helps motivate me. And also, while you're down there, in the description section, I've got a link to my Ko-fi page. I've never really sort of advertised it much, but I am now as things start to improve. So go and have a look. Thanks very much. Really appreciate. And I'll see you all very soon.